Polestar 2 gets an over-the-air performance boost without the hassle of a subscription. The EV company is offering a 68 horsepower upgrade to customers for a one-time fee of $1,195. Man, this is so wild, this subscription stuff. You just imagine you're driving along and a pop-up comes on the display, a notification. Hey, we noticed you just passed the car.
Yeah, you want to overtake this guy faster?
Yeah, we can provide you an extra 68 horsepower for a one-time deal, $1,195. You're like, yes. Imagine range. Imagine unlocking range.
Oh.
Do you want to stop on this trip and charge? Or for a low payment of $800, you can keep going another 100 kilometers.
Honey, we got to get it. This is the one.
It's wild stuff. Anyway, I guess it's better than a monthly fee. And I don't know why it feels weirder with its performance as opposed to self-driving. I don't know why that feels weirder. Because even you were just like, hey, maybe I'm going to get a self-driving subscription.
Because it is just software. The hardware is already installed.
In both cases.
Yeah.
It's pretty much identical thing, but it feels weirder with performance for whatever reason. After paying for the upgrade, customers Polestar 2 EVs will see 0 to 60 acceleration reduction to 4.2 seconds. So they're accelerating faster here, Will.
So would you choose the subscription or the one-time fee?
Well, with the full self-driving, I did the one-time fee. I really don't like the idea of more subscriptions personally.
But you can try it instead of buying it up front.
It's true. It's a good point. Yeah, you can see if you like it or not. I just think there's a psychological barrier or a psychological weight to not having the feature, but instead seeing the bill it makes you hate anything.
Yeah.
Like, I don't know what that is. It's like there's no, when they're, not hate anything, but you become
it just dilutes the product.
Your enjoyment, it goes down with pretty much anything that you have to pay for every single month. And it doesn't seem to matter the amount.
Yeah.
Because you're constantly reminded of the thing. I don't know. It's an odd psychology. It's an odd psychology to it. Like the number of people I talk to, they're like, I'm gonna cancel my Netflix. I'm gonna cancel it.
Especially for 68 horsepower. It's not like it would change your life.
Yeah.
You know?
I mean, there's a few things, right? There's a few things that we're willing to pay for monthly, and we deal with it. Your cell phone bill, your rent, mortgage, and car payment. But certainly when we get down the list and we get into
68 horsepower,
entertainment services, a little like slight little extras, people start to get slightly more uncomfortable, and certainly some of these automotive ones have made people feel that way. But you're right, Will. Another way of looking at it is like, hey, let me try out full self-driving before I commit to it. That one's a really big payment. And according to Elon, it's only going to go up. So